It's Vlogmas! Very long time no see. Your girl is back and it's Vlogmas. So like, what better time to make a comeback than to be putting out videos every day for Vlogmas? Every day. It's technically day 7 of Vlogmas, but I'm just now starting because I just got a new camera that I received yesterday. I had 2 cameras before that at one time, and I sold both of my cameras in order to get this camera. It's kind of tedious to go back and forth between the cameras and keep up with all my memory cards and what did I record on which camera and things like that. So I wanted to get one camera that could do it all, and Canon finally came out with a small compact mirrorless camera that has interchangeable lenses. So it was basically the size of my Sony and everything I loved about the size of my Sony, but then it has the capabilities of a Canon camera, which I love Canon. I've only used Canon and Sony, and I do like Canon better. And I was playing with it yesterday, so now I'm actually using it, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna make an entire video about where I've been, what's been happening in my life. If you haven't noticed, I got married. Yeah, about 4 months ago, maybe a little less than 4 months ago. That'll be a whole nother video, and I have so many wedding videos coming. I'll have new videos coming up. I have different series that I want to start doing and different types of videos that I want to start doing, and just really getting creative and seeing what I'm good at. I'm a completely different person than I was a year ago, than I was even 2 years ago when I was making videos consistently. And I'm ready to share this new person with you guys, and I really hope that you like her. And even if you don't, I mean, I really feel like I'm starting a new channel. I really do. And I kind of want to change my channel name, but also I feel like that's a lot. There's not really much on the agenda today. My friend's birthday was Tuesday, and I just got some money today in order to make his gift. I want to make his gift. So I'm going to go to Michael's today and try to get some of the materials and try to do it. It looks pretty simple online, but you know how that goes. A couple of my friends have been hitting me up, asking me what I'm doing this weekend, which probably is nothing. So I might be hanging out with some friends. We'll see. But I'm really excited to get back to doing what I love. Making vlogs, sharing my experiences with you guys, teaching you things that I've learned that I'm excited about. And for all you faithful subscribers, I will now sing the vlog song. Vlog, making a vlog. Vlog, making a vlog. Vlog, making a vlog. Vlog, making a vlog. Hey. How are you? Good. Like, why do I need to have a story on YouTube when, like, that's the point, is putting videos? And then they got, like, the live button. Live, okay.
Yeah,
that
cool.
makes sense.
That's on the app?
But, yeah.
That's lit.
But I mean, I guess for like people who only do YouTube, and you can turn that to like your #1 platform, because you got like story, you can do live, post, but that's a lot to try to do like YouTube story and Instagram story and Snapchat. I don't think people really do Snapchat anymore. I wish.
What, Snapchat story?
Yeah. I mean,
Not
not in my brand anyway.
Yeah, they have retired.
Which is sad because I love Snapchat. But Instagram has this close friends feature now on the story. So you can kind of like how you could do the private story on Snapchat. But that's great because I could just add people to that and just post whatever I want on there.
I like that.
And so they can see that and see what I regularly post. So I could just only use Instagram for story stuff.
Why did you call me last night?
Because it was so bad outside. Like I thought I was going to die. It was so many ambulances and fire trucks on the freeway.
Bro, you called me. My auntie called me. Everybody said the same thing. I was calling to somebody while I was driving.
So bad.
I'm bad. I took NyQuil last night.
Oh my God. Why didn't you tell me that? Why would you take it before I got home?
Huh? I didn't think I was going to put me to sleep that fast. I legit had to go drive and get it. We didn't have none here.
You might think NyQuil was going to put you to sleep.
I didn't think it was going to put me to sleep that fast, is what I said.
Make my way downtown. Walking fast. Something and I'm homebound. So we are going to the bank first. I need to go to the bank, deposit some money, and then we're gonna go to Michael's to get some crafts. We're crafting, craft night.
Call me Martha.
Getting crazy on a Friday. Woo! See, that's what happens. You come here for one thing, and then everything's on sale. Oh my God. 70% off of $10. That means they're $3. And I have to get it. I wish they had purple. I have blue, green, red, and gold on my tree right now. So I figured maybe these ones would be cute. The ones I got. But I do like the white too.
Yes.
So they only
not as much as those.
Get two of these. Can you tell they're kind of rainbow? Because the lights on my tree are rainbow. So we're watching Truth or Dare.
But I don't think it's the right one.
But it's from 2017. How much more recent can you get?
Apparently there's another one.
2018.
No. This is it.
But wait. What if it's like when you think you bought Gucci, but really you got some Fucci?
Fucci. We getting Fucci with this movie. It's on Netflix. I think this is it.
No, it's not. Look, there's one from 2017 and one from 2018.
Oh man. Well, it can be the same movie then, because I feel like why would you remake the movie back then?
You guys, we did not do this right.
So we did get Fucci. Because what movie is this? It's still not the movie. So we're trying to watch the 2018 movie, but this is the 2017.
Somebody send us the link.
Stressed out. So stressed. We bought some of the garland, and then I bought those bulbs, and it's so pretty. So pretty. You like that?
I loved it.
Yeah.
It was so beautiful.
I'm so excited. Look who it is. I'm so happy about this tree. I love it so much. I got this tree from Big Lots for like $25.
$24?
Something like that. It was super cheap.
So cheap.
With the lights on it, and the lights are rainbow. And then I got the star from Walmart.
Did you get it after Christmas?
For rainbow. It was like 2 years ago. And then I got all the bulbs that I already have on there from the thrift store.
Oh, really?
Yeah, crazy.
Guys, it'll be fun.
So, super cheap tree. And then Michael's had those bulbs 70% off. And then, yep, so they were $3 a box. We got 2 boxes.
Yes, you were there.
And then the tinsel was $1.
25 feet?
25 feet. So, deals. I'm all about the deals. Ending the night just like most nights on the couch watching TV while my husband is asleep. He's always asleep. Just always. You get used to it. I just want to end the night with today's lesson. I really feel like every day you learn something, but only if you pay attention. So today I learned about faith. All you need is faith the size of a mustard seed. That big. That big. All you need is that much faith for God to work with. Just try it. See what happens. Have a good night. Until tomorrow. Peace. And we did get that movie to work, and it was super creepy. And I'm praying I don't have dreams about it tonight. So let's see.